A new study from South Korea has revealed a disturbing link between long working hours and changes in brain structure. Researchers found that individuals working more than 52 hours a week exhibited noticeable differences in their brains compared to those with standard work schedules. These findings, published in the journal, offer a glimpse into the potential neurological impact of overwork, a growing concern worldwide. The study focused on healthcare workers, a profession known for demanding schedules and high stress levels. This research underscores the importance of understanding and addressing the health risks associated with excessive work hours. The study's findings suggest that pushing our brains beyond their limits can have tangible consequences. While the research does not establish a direct causal relationship, it reveals a concerning correlation that warrants attention. The World Health Organization estimates that overwork contributes to hundreds of thousands of deaths globally each year. This South Korean study adds to the growing body of evidence highlighting the need for workplace policies that prioritize employee well-being and reasonable work schedules. The South Korean study employed advanced brain imaging techniques to investigate the effects of overwork. Researchers used high-resolution MRI scans to examine the brains of 110 healthcare workers. The participants were divided into two groups: those who worked more than 52 hours per week classified as overworked, and those who adhered to standard working hours. The MRI analysis focused on identifying differences in brain volume between the two groups. The study revealed that the overworked group exhibited increased brain volume in several key areas. One such area was the middle frontal gyrus, a region responsible for essential cognitive functions like working memory, attention control, and language processing. Another region showing increased volume was the superior frontal gyrus, involved in higher-order thinking, planning, and decision-making. Additionally, the insula, a brain region associated with emotional processing, self-awareness, and sensory integration, also displayed increased volume in the overworked group. While an increase in brain volume might initially seem beneficial, the researchers caution against interpreting these changes as improvements. Instead, they suggest that the observed increases likely represent the brain's adaptive response to chronic stress induced by prolonged work hours. This adaptation, rather than enhancing brain function, could ultimately prove detrimental. Just as a muscle under constant strain can become damaged, the brain, when persistently overworked, may experience negative consequences. The researchers hypothesize that the increased brain volume could be a sign of inflammation or other stress-related changes. Over time, these changes may contribute to a decline in cognitive efficiency, leading to fatigue, emotional instability, and reduced cognitive performance. The study's findings raise concerns about the long-term impact of overwork on brain health and highlight the need for further research to understand the mechanisms underlying these changes. The South Korean study serves as a stark reminder of the potential health risks associated with overwork. It underscores the urgent need for proactive measures to protect workers from the detrimental effects of excessive work hours. Governments, employers, and individuals all have a role to play in addressing this growing concern. Implementing workplace policies that promote a healthy work-life balance is crucial. This includes encouraging employees to utilize vacation time, establishing reasonable work schedules, and fostering a supportive work environment. Individuals can also take steps to protect themselves, such as setting boundaries between work and personal life, engaging in stress-reducing activities, and seeking professional help when needed. Addressing the overwork epidemic requires a collective effort to prioritize well-being and ensure that work practices promote, rather than compromise, both physical and mental health.